Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you the error first. Okay, let me plug in my pen drive into my. Let me show you here. Okay, let me insert it into my laptop, and it is inserted now. And you can see here this way. Okay, once I double click on it and want to use it, you can see. Please insert a disk into a USB drive E. Okay, this is the letter. If you are getting this same issue, this video is for you. I will show you how you can easily fix this issue. Okay, click on cancel option again. Now you need to right click on it. Okay, and you can choose the option format. Click on format and wait. Let's see. And you can choose the unallocated. You can see here unknown capacity and FAT32 chooses NTFS. Okay, and click on start. Make sure you are choosing the quick format. Start. All the data will be lost, so make sure you are not able to access your data after choosing this option. Okay, click on OK. All the list you can see the error. Windows was unable to complete the format. Okay, so this is also not working, like it is not going to format, and we are not able to access our pen drive right now. But one another method I have. Okay, go to this PC, right click on it and go to manage. Here is the option. Okay, then go to disk management option. Okay, and if you are not able to access this PC, I will show you how you can access that. Go to search bar, then type here computer management. Okay, and you need to right click on it, or you can see the run as an administrator. You need to have admin rights. Okay, so wait, and you will see the page like this again. Okay, now click on disk management option here, which is the second last option. Okay, and wait, let it load the all the drives in my systems. You can see here I have two unallocated space here. Okay, this one and the another one, this one, but I know this is the SD card I'm using on my system, so this is not the case. I'm going to select with the another one. This is also 16 MB. Okay, so this is my pen drive. You can see here unallocated space 14.32 GB. So you need to right click on that, click on new simple volume, click on next, leave it as default, click on next, let it assign the letter itself, or you can choose accordingly. I'm going to next. Now you can choose a file system NTFS. Okay, if you are choosing the old one system, you can choose FAT32, but I'm choosing NTFS. Click on next, click on finish. Okay, now let's wait what will happen. Okay, you can see the new volume here. So let me refresh it. Okay, you can see here the disk G. If I double click on it, I can use it. Okay, so this is how your issue should be fixed. My issue is also fixed. If your issue is also fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share, and if not, then comment me. I will try to reply you. So hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.